In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your employer identification number, or EIN, to Shopify payments. This process is essential for businesses operating in the US as it helps streamline your tax reporting and ensures compliance with federal regulations. Let's walk through this together so you can focus more on running your shop and less on navigating the back end. First, to get started, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're there, look towards the lower left-hand corner of your dashboard where you'll see the Settings option. Give that a click. This is where you can manage many aspects of your store, from payment details to shipping settings and beyond. Now that you're new in the Settings section, look for the Payment option. This is where you'll handle all aspects related to how your shop receives money. Go ahead and click on the Payment tab. This will bring up various options related to the different payment providers available to you through Shopify, such as credit card processing, Stripe integration, and PayPal. Here, you'll want to locate the section that details the information related to your Shopify payments. This is where you can enter your EIN. In some cases, you might not see the option to directly input this information. This occurs because not every account is immediately set up to enter an EIN. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry. It's relatively easy to address. The first step if you're unable to input your EIN is to contact Shopify support. Shopify has a dedicated help center with numerous resources available 24/7 to assist you. Reaching out to their knowledgeable team via chat or email can help resolve any issues you're experiencing with entering your EIN. They can guide you through the process if anything specific needs to be taken care of within your account settings or on their side of the system. In addition, when you contact support, providing them with as much context as possible regarding your issue will expedite the help you receive. Shopify's support team may ask for details about your account to ensure that anything roadblocking your progress can be swiftly identified and addressed. Adding your EIN to Shopify payments is a valuable step in ensuring your business remains compliant with US tax regulations. Plus, it gives you peace of mind knowing that your payment processes are running smoothly and legally. You'll be set up to manage your transactions effortlessly and can focus more on continuing to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you understand the process clearly. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to consult the Shopify Help Center or leave a comment below. Until next time, happy selling!